in your hundreds and what's in your tens place and what's in your ones place. So, at the beginning of my snake, right, I have my snake up here. You're going to make sure your tongue is facing towards the left. So this equal sign, so the eyes need to be on the left-hand side of your desk. We're going to do this together first. Then you'll have a chance to do your own, okay? So make sure you're not touching your snake. All scissors should be down. All scissors should be down. All trash paper can be set down. And we're just focusing up here. So, we're going to do a couple of practice ones together, and then I'll let you do your own snake. That's why your snake is resting, okay? So if I have the number, like our practice number, 243, I'm going to start with my 3-digit number right there, 243. How would I expand 243 out? How would I expand it out? What would, if I had to add these three numbers together, get 243. What would be my 200s? Yes, Isaiah? What would I start with? 200, right? Nope, you are not touching it. There's your 200. So my hundreds are represented with 200. What's the next thing I would have to, where's my 10s? This is my hundreds. What would be my 10s expanded out? Bowen? 4 or 40, right? 40. And then the last one would be what? Okay, at 240, Torrin? 3, right? 3. With 243 expanded, you're stretching that number. So 200 plus 40 plus 3. Does that equal the same thing?
Yes.
Yes. So you're stretching out this number to show the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. So, if, like we said, then you'll take your paper after you'll take your paper here, and you're gonna accordion fold it. So, you're gonna keep this at the start, then you're gonna fold back and forth, like an accordion, back and forth. So now, when I stretch it out, you have 243 gives you 200 plus 40 plus 3. So fold back and forth like this. So if I have this one here, it comes back towards me. Then you're going to fold it forward, then backwards. So that way it stretches out like a snake. It folds in that. Let's do another one. What about 221? How would I stretch? What would be the first one I would stretch out? Kaiser?
2.
Would be 2 or what's this place? This is your hundreds place, so that would be what? 200. What would be my next one to stretch it out? Iris? 20. And then what would be my last one to stretch this out fully? Kylie? 1. Now I have 221 all stretched out. Then I'll accordion fold it back and forth. So I have 221. And now when I expand it in expanded form, you see all the places. Now on your snake, pick any 3-digit number. So that means you need to have something in the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place. And you're going to do the same on your snake. You're going to expand it out, and you're going to fold it up. And then I'll have you come up and share. Okay? Go ahead and start. It can be any 3-digit number. So hundreds, tens, and ones. So any 3-digit number you can think of. You want to do 925, whatever you want to do. If you want to do 473, you're just going to show me how you expand that out. that first square is going to be your full number. Yes, you got it. Good job. Yep. Now extend it out. So what will be in your hundreds? So your first digit is, it's not a 1, it's what? 1. Yep, 100. Remember to do 2 for him. Is it just 9 or is it going to be what? 9. It's 923. What's the first part of that? So just 9 plus 2 plus 3. That would be 14. So 900 plus 20 plus 3. Plus 20. Should be plus 20, then plus 3. You're expanding it out to the hundreds and the tens and the ones. Good job. Okay, what number did you choose?